Hello friends and family, and welcome to In the Kitchen with Leanna. I'm Leanna. I hope you're all well and safe and feeling well and good and happy. And today we're going to make chicken fajita pizza. Now I've already prepared my crust because I already did that in the last pizza video. But I'm going to show you that this one I stuffed the crust. So I'm going to show you how I do that. So I take, I buy string cheese, mozzarella string cheese, and I cut them in half. And then I'm just going to place them around the edge of the pizza stone. If I remember right, it takes 12 halves, but it might be 5. I don't remember. I haven't made this for a while. Okay, it takes 5. Quarter. There. And I just take this and roll it up all the way around. This is the easy way. This is Leanna's way of doing it. There's more complicated ways, and that's why this is my way. And you can stuff it with the shredded stuff, but this is just, this works well for me. Okay, and that is ready to go. So now we're going to jump over to the stove. Okay, so I've got my oven preheated at 425. Now I'm just going to take a couple teaspoons or tablespoons or whatever of oil, just enough to get the pan wet. Olive oil. And I have sliced up a red bell pepper. So I'm going to put that in. And I sliced up an onion. And we're just going to cook this till it gets hot, and then, well, then I'll show you what I'm going to do next. Okay, so this is good and hot. So I'm going to add about a pound, I think it's a little more than a pound, of, it's chicken breast, and I just cut it into strips. Stir that around a little bit, and I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of chili powder, or more if you want it spicier. Last time I made it, I was told it was a little too spicy, so I kind of cut back a little bit this time. And about a teaspoon of salt. Half a teaspoon of pepper. And then we're just going to cook it until the chicken is cooked through. And it doesn't take too long. 5 or 10 minutes or so. So when that's done cooking, I will bring you back and show you how to do the rest of the pizza. Okay, so this is all cooked up, and I'm just going to throw it on the pizza. I'm just trying not to get all that juice in there. It's soggy. But it bugs me if it's not all, I don't know what the word is that I want. Uniform. Yeah. Close enough, right? Okay, so I'm going to take some chunky salsa. You can do medium, mild, hot, whatever you want. I like hot, he likes wimpy. So I buy the medium one. And I'm going to use a spoon for this. And just put as much or as little as you like. I usually put probably, I don't know, 2 cups-ish. Maybe. I just spread it everywhere. I'll probably end up using most of the jar. Should work. Okay, now I'm just going to throw some mozzarella cheese on the top. If I can open it. This one's not quite as time consuming as the last one I made. And that is it. And now I'm going to throw it in the oven, 425. For about 15 minutes. One of the crust gets brown and it's all melty. And then I'll bring you back. Okay. And here we have it. Chicken fajita pizza. I do hope you enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed, please do. And also ring the little bell icon thing. And we will see you next week. Yes, we will. So have a blessed week. Stay safe and well. We love you. Bye-bye.